Hey guys, how you going? Right, bit of a different video this one. Every year I get the pressure washer out and I do the driveway and up the back and that. I forgot to do this intro, so I've done it after I've done it all. And I'm burnt to a crisp and I'm really knocked me around. Used to sit on my butt and now I had to do some work. So, cleaned these bins over here as well. Anyway, this is just what I normally do when I pressure wash. The back, it sort of gets algae and that type of thing for the whole year. I only do it once a year. Anyway, I hope you like the video. Just a bit of a clean up around the house. There's the driveway, so much cleaner. So if you go over here, that's what it used to look like, all up there. Now it looks like that. So much cleaner, look at it. There we go. Very nice. And then I stopped there, stopped about there, and sort of couldn't be stuffed any further. Right, that's nice and clean there. There you go. I knackered myself today, worked in the sun. Anyway. So it's clean as a whistle now. Doesn't look clean, but it's just dirt, old paint. Nice and clean, yeah. And there's, that was all black too. Anyway, there you go. Oh yeah, there's the back. There's the back there. It's much cleaner and neater. And this bit here is cleaned up really well. So much nicer there. I didn't do a perfect job here, but yeah, I haven't had the pressure washer out for a while. I've got to do a lot of cleaning up before I actually do this again. Anyway, it's got rid of that black algae sort of mouldy stuff.